So this next question says an item increases in value by 40% to $195. What was the original price of the item? Correct to 2 decimal places. So it says an item increases in value by 40%. So the original, okay, we're going to add 40% and it's going to become what? $195. Okay, so how do we work that out? Okay, and how do we work out the original price of the item? So this is 100%. Okay, and that's going to multiply your original item. Okay, and that's going to be 195. So what's that going to be? That's going to be 140% times your original item is going to equal to 195. Now, what is this as a fraction or as a number? As essentially 140 over 100, which is essentially 1.4. Okay? So 1.4 times x equals to 195. How do I solve for my x? I've got to bring this to the other side. How do I bring it? I've got to divide this side by 1.4, this side by 1.4. And then you'll have the price of x as your final answer. And remember, this question says to 2 decimal places. So you need to provide 2 decimal places. So remember, when we're trying to work out the original item, we do that increase, okay? If it's a decrease by 40%, we're going to do 100% minus 40%. In this case, it's an increase. So 140% of original item is equal to $195, and then solving. I've changed that to a decimal, a number, so it's easier to divide. So that's how you approach that particular question when you're trying to find the cost of an original item.